Welcome to day 13 of our 21 days to rewire our brain for happiness. Today we're tackling one of the most powerful and overlooked parts of your brain rewiring, your self-talk. You talk to yourself all day long. You narrate, you judge, you compare, you explain, and your brain is listening every second of it. So let's talk about the neuroscience of inner dialogue. Your subconscious doesn't process sarcasm or intention. It just hears the words and takes them as commands. When you say things to yourself like, I'm so stupid, I can't do this, I'm just not enough, you're firing neural pathways that reinforce that identity. Over time, those pathways become your default code. Your brain starts filtering your world to match your language. That's how people accidentally program their own limitations through repetition of words that teach the brain who they think they are. Okay, so how do we shift this? Your brain, it works like an algorithm. It's like a biological search engine. Whatever question you ask, it will find the answer to prove you right. So if you were to say to yourself, why do I always mess things up? Your brain will search for evidence that you do always mess up. But if you ask, what do I do well today? Your brain is going to reroute to look for success data. That's not mindset fluff. It's just neural direction. You're literally steering your reticular activating system, just the part of the brain that filters what you see and notice. Okay, so today's practice, we're gonna catch, correct, and condition. So step one, we're gonna catch. Start paying attention to the automatic voice that's in your head. Notice how you speak to yourself when you make a mistake, when you feel really tired, when you get triggered. You can't rewire what you don't hear. So step two, we're gonna correct it. When you hear negative or self-limiting talk, I want you to stop and say out loud, that's the old program. Then replace that with something real and neutral, not fake and positive, like, I'm learning, I'm figuring this out. This is new, but not impossible. Neurons don't care about drama. They care about repetition. So step three, condition. I want you to anchor the new self-talk physically. When you speak kindly to yourself, place your hand on your chest or nod slightly. This physical motion pairs the new language with safety signals in the nervous system. And repeat until your brain believes it. All right, so tonight's evening integration. Before bed, write down 3 sentences that describe how your future self talks to themselves. Short, strong, believable. And read them out loud. Your brain will replay the voice overnight while you're in theta state. And that's how a new inner voice will start to form. You don't heal by thinking differently. You heal by speaking differently because your words are instructions. Every sentence you say is either building your freedom or reinforcing your cage. All right, this was day 13 of our 21 days to rewire your brain for happiness. Talk to yourself like someone you're responsible for saving, because you are. All right, I will see you on day 14.